For us as being a global organization, we firmly believe that for real change to happen, it has to be spirited locally. So having our local volunteers, our local chapters is critical because we don't know all of the unique challenges that are faced in different pockets of the United States. So they really have been our most important allies as it relates to local involvement and engagement. So our chapters, again, there are 33 of them throughout the country. We're starting more this year. So our aim is by 2030 to have a chapter in every state. And, where it's been powerful is that education and training does happen, we think, most successfully and powerfully locally. So our chapters have made great relationships with educators, community colleges. Most of our chapters have an educational representative, one, if not two, sometimes on their local board. So there's direct connectivity with the educators in those local regions. They are often as well hosting tours involving students to participate in their programs. Many of them are participating in Manufacturing Day, which, as you likely know, is the first Friday of October. So bringing in community members and, again, parents, which is critically important to see what modern manufacturing looks like. So our chapters have been key vehicles for us. And then as well, industry partnerships. So we have a national relationship with NIST MEP. So there are manufacturing extension partnerships all throughout the country. So now we're trying to better and more successfully linkage our chapters to the MEPs because there is no reason for us to be duplicating efforts. We're all doing great things. So it's figuring out how do we tap into the talent and resources that some of these other organizations have going on so that we can partner with them on initiatives. So MEPs have been a newer partner for us. And then we also work with lots of other trade associations. So many of them are national in scope or global like us. But we also are trying to figure out how better to navigate and work with state manufacturing associations because, again, we know many of them have an aim or interest in female talent. So let's partner up on activities. So again, chapters for us have been critical. And, it's been figuring out for us in this last 14 years the scalability and how to manage them. So how our chapters run, just for the behind the curtain, we pretty much run the chapters, much of their operations and their support from a national headquarters perspective. So they are creatures of us. They share our tax ID. So it's like having 33 little business units, which has been daunting and challenging to manage sometimes. But again, they're our most highly rated member benefit that we have as an organization.